Alright, so if you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of the PC, whether it's for gaming or you're a live streamer streaming for 6 hours at once, or if you're working from home, of course, in this tough time during the pandemic, you would have experienced some back issues, maybe it's backache or some sort of fatigue, and you finally decided to upgrade your chair. And in today's video, I have a good option that you can consider for yourself. This is the Gamdias Aphrodite EF1. This is a budget gaming chair that comes in at around 18,000 rupees. So this is under 20,000 rupees. And it's got that gaming slash racing car chair feel. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the chair and also telling you guys how to install it. This is not a full tutorial on how to assemble this chair, but there is a manual included, so that shouldn't be a problem either. But again, I'll take you guys through on the basic steps to assembling this chair, and also talk about its design and build quality and my personal experience, what are the best features of this chair, and finally, if you should be buying this. So my full verdict on that. So with that being said, let's get started. So talking about unboxing and assembly, there's a very helpful manual that's included in the box, so that should get you up and running in assembling the chair. And in terms of the unboxing experience, the box is big and well protected, and the chair is well protected. You get your backrest, the base of the chair, and also the base with its wheels and the gas lift system and screws that'll be needed, and the Allen key that you need to tighten those screws is also included, some plastic covers, and the headrest and the lumbar support. So everything you need to build this chair, to assemble this chair, is included. So the unboxing and assembly and installation is very easy and very convenient. Alright, so starting off with the design and build quality of the chair. As I said, it's got that gaming chair slash racing chair feel. You might see a seat like this in some of the racing cars. And in terms of the design and build quality, most of the chair is, at least on the base, is metal and it's steel, so it's really high quality, and it can take up to 150 kgs of payload. So even if you're a heavy person, I am guessing you're not 150 kgs, but if you are, this chair should be able to handle you. And the chair itself is, again, the top covering is PU leather, and behind that is some foam, some really good quality foam, which is really stiff. And these armrests again are foam and some sort of PU leather on top as well. But most of the chair is metal and a little bit of plastic here and there for the coverings and stuff like that. But apart from that, you've got a really decent build quality, or actually a really nice build quality for the price. And the design itself is also very good. Most of the chair is black with some red accents, and I personally like the stitching a lot. It gives it a really premium feel, I'd say. And talking about some of the features, this has got all the basic features that you expect from a chair, and also some extra ones, like the armrest is a 2D armrest, so you can tilt it right and left. And you can also increase the height and decrease the height of the armrest. So let's say you have a higher or lower desk, you can adjust the height of the armrest to make sure your arms line up with the desk and it's a comfortable working position or a gaming position. So that's that. And again, you have the infamous tilting feature. So this chair can tilt up to 175 degrees or 180 degrees, and that's a really good feature if you want to just lie down and take some rest. That's there. It's the traditional trademark gaming feature. And just like any other chair, it does decrease and increase in height. You have the rocking mode, and all the basic features are there. And you also have the headrest that gives support to your neck and head, and you also have the lumbar support for your back, which is really nice. And these are again adjustable, so you can adjust them according to your need. So that's that. So those are the design, build quality, and some of the features that I've experienced with this chair. And talking about my experience with it, as I said, it is PU leather, so this material usually lasts for around 3 to 4 years, depending upon how you take care of the chair. And it's very comfortable actually, and for the price, I've tried a bunch of gaming chairs from different brands, and I quite like this. For the price of 18,000 rupees or 17,000 rupees, that's the price you can get this chair online. And I will leave links down below in the description, so you guys can check the chair out and see if you want to buy it. And in my experience, I usually sit on my PC for a very long time editing, and I also like gaming, and I do stream sometimes. So when you're streaming or gaming, you sit on your PC for about 4 to 6 hours at one stretch. Or if you're working, again, during these tough times and during the pandemic, a lot of people have switched to work from home. And during these kind of times when you're sitting on your laptop or PC and you need a good ergonomic chair, gaming chairs are a good option because these seem to be the most comfortable and ergonomic, compared to the other chairs that are there. So, in my experience, this is good. I had no complaints. This feels very comfortable. The foam is nice and strong and it's stiff. It's able to support your body really well and also your back. And the lumbar support and the headrest actually add to the comfort of the chair. So in my opinion, again, for long gaming sessions, long streaming sessions, and if you're working from home, something like this will definitely help you out and help you resolve those back issues, those back aches, that fatigue that you get from working. And this will help you increase your productivity. If you're able to sit comfortably, you'll be able to work for longer as well. So I really like that. And just giving you a quick overview, this is how the chair is from the back. And yes, there is plastic here, as I said. And most of the chair seems to be really well built, and it seems to have a really nice vibe to it, really nice, good look to it. And I personally like the design of this chair a lot, with this, diamond cut texture right here and the stitches, as I said in the start. And in my opinion, the Gamdias Aphrodite EF1 is a good option if you're looking for a gaming chair under 20,000 rupees. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions about the chair, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be there replying to you guys. All the links to buying this chair, and if you want to know more, I'll leave a link to Gamdias' official website as well. But that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the chair and the video itself. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash the like button as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.